Another flip-flop from the President of United States of America, Donald Trump. Look at this. Look at what he said now. The Islamic Republic of Iran has asked us to continue the talks. So the peace deal is back. Yesterday, he said that the peace deal is over. Day before yesterday, he said that he's going to remove Islamic Republic of Iran from the map of this planet. Absolutely crazy, guys. It happens every single day. But right now, market is reacting. Market is moving towards the upside. All the altcoins right now are in green. Even if you look at the broader markets, NASDAQ is going up, Bitcoin is going up, risk offs are going towards the downside. For example, oil moving down, volatility index is going towards the downside. Absolutely amazing. We are trading, we continue to trade. Guys, you come here every single day. You watch my videos 8 to 10 minutes long only. Why? Because I want to make sure that I'm only throwing alpha towards you. What you need to do is smash that like button for me, for the algo, and make sure that you're journaling every single trade. No financial advice, but on this channel, we are making sure that we are only taking trades which are high conviction and with proper risk management. This month, we have taken Hyperliquid, Nvidia, Copper, and Amazon. Oh, Amazon is the new one. I'm going to talk about this in this video. I've already taken the trade. It is a high conviction trade, and I have a limit order as well, which I talked about yesterday. I can talk about it again. So guys, we have trades. I'm going to talk about all of it. Sit back and relax. NASDAQ, some people will say that, oh, it's a rounded top. Rounded top, it's going to go towards the downside. But wait, we won't say that it's going to go towards the downside until the time it actually breaks this support. For now, it is moving up. While there was bad news in the war, NASDAQ was going up. This means that we have high conviction. The market has high conviction, and we continue to trade towards the upside. Look at this, guys. Nvidia trade. Congratulations to everyone who took this trade with me. It is pushing towards the upside. Absolutely amazing. And the reason why it's going up is the China news, because China came out and said that we will allow the Chinese AI companies to buy Nvidia chips. Limited, but they will allow them to buy Nvidia chips. Absolutely amazing. Take some profits here if you took the trade. If you did not, that's okay, because I have a new trade for you, and that is Amazon. Let Amazon break out here. Once Amazon break out, retest, that is the trigger for us. This is a beautiful inverse head and shoulder. We've got a stop loss here, which is around 3.6% of $237. I've already updated it in my journal. If you want my journal, put it in the comment section. Just say, send me the journal. I'm going to send it to you, the link. And then you can follow the live journal all the time. Simple, guys. What it's going to do is breakout, retest, a little bit of consolidation, go towards TP1, go towards TP2, go towards final TP. Maybe. I'm not saying it's going to do that, but if it does that, then quite amazing. So this is the trade I'm looking forward to, and you should have it in your watch list for sure. Right now, I've already entered 30%. Right now, it's in a bit loss, not even loss, it's break even. But yeah, I have entered 30%, and now I'm waiting for the final breakout so I can enter more. Perfect. So I am showing you the proof as well. All right. Now, moving towards crypto. Solana, why do we have Solana here? I don't want Solana. I want Bitcoin. Bitcoin is giving us a signal, guys. What is the signal though? The signal is very simple, that on 12-hourly time frame, Bitcoin was not able to break the EMA ribbon from a long time. Look at this. Since 15th May, Bitcoin was failing every single time to break this EMA ribbon. And finally, here on 10th of July, no, not 10th, yeah, 10th of July, which is today. Wow, it has broken towards the upside, and right now it is at a major resistance. And now I want to show you the main trade on BTC. Look at this, guys. Going on lower time frame, 4-hour is good. Here you go. 6-hourly time frame. Look at this, guys. What do you see here? You see a proper inverse head and shoulder. Now, how do we take the trade here? The trade is pretty simple as well. You just wait for the breakout, and the price target is going to be something like this, 12%. You just want to be a little conservative. So this is going to be the price target over here. The trade is very simple. Breakout, retest, continuation, move towards the upside. This is what we are doing on BTC. If it's not going to happen, then that's fine. If it doesn't break out, that's fine. We have other trades. But if it breaks out, this trade comes to life, guys, which is this beautiful looking inverse head and shoulder. All right, high conviction. Obviously, we are managing our risk. We are making sure that we are having a stop loss. Always keep a stop loss. Always journal your trades. Okay. Now, this tweet, I want to make sure that everyone understand because I have it on my thumbnail as well, which is Robinhood approved these three trades. Now, what is happening with Robinhood? Robinhood chain is growing really, really fast. It launched and right now it has all the meme coins, 80 million plus in TVL, 200 million plus in stable coins, 800 million plus in cumulative DEX volume. Absolutely crazy. And in the last 24 hours itself, I'm not going to show all the charts to you, but Robinhood chain processed 375 million in DEX volume. That's enough to rank it as the fifth largest chain by the DEX volume. And it's only been like, what, 72 hours? Absolutely crazy. Now, guys, there are three beta plays that you should be looking at. It's in my thumbnail too. Uniswap, Arbitrum, Serum. Now, why Arbitrum? Because Arbitrum will be getting 10% of the fees, out of which 8% will be going towards the Arbitrum treasury and 2% will be going towards the developer guild. When it comes to Uniswap, every swap on the chain routes through Uniswap, making Uni a direct claim on trading activity. Third one is Serum, which is Maple Finance. Syrup USDG is the borrow side gate of Robinhood Earn. Absolutely amazing. Now you will get yield if you basically put Syrup USDG. Amazing. So you've got three tokens that you can buy or trade in this narrative, which is the Robinhood narrative. But we will choose only one. I'm going to show you the charts. Arbitrum is the first one, already broken out. I talked about this yesterday when it was here. I was saying wait for the breakout, broken out. It's going to give a nice retest. Look at this chart, guys. Beautiful looking chart. Keep it in your watch list. When it comes here, consolidates a little bit. That's a perfect opportunity for us. And then is Uniswap. I mean, it's okay. It has moved up a lot, so I'm not very interested in it, but it's coming back to a beautiful level. Once it gives a deviation is very important to, make sure that we are getting the perfect trade. And the final one is Syrup. Not interested in Syrup. Why? Because look at this, guys. Look at this candle. Why would I be interested in Syrup? It's already moved like 20% in one day. So it's at the resistance. I am looking forward to Uniswap and Arbitrum. If they come down, give a deviation, I don't mind taking a trade on them. And obviously, we have a narrative, which is the Robinhood narrative, right? So not a bad idea to take a trade in them. Now, the next one is Ethereum. I want to talk about Ethereum as well because it is flirting with this resistance. This is a double bottom, really good looking double bottom, which has been a resistance. This level, 1800 level, is a beautiful resistance. It was a support in February, whole of February, which is quite amazing. So once Ethereum breaks out with conviction and volume, consolidates a little bit, that's a beautiful trade for us. So keep this in your watch list as well. The final chart I want to show you is gold. I know it's a bit boring. Gold is a bit boring, but let it consolidate. Wait for it. It's going to take 10-15 days. I'm just showing you the chart because I want you to keep this in your watch list. Let it consolidate a little bit. We'll slowly nibble into this trade. I will tell you when you should be doing that. When I am doing that right now, I'm not, but I have it in my watch list for sure. So, guys, this is the end. This is the end. Let me just give you the gist. We are in the Nvidia trade, absolutely killing it. I'm looking forward to Amazon. I am looking forward to BTC inverse head and shoulder. And then I have three Robinhood beta plays. I'm not taking Syrup. I am looking forward to Uniswap and Arbitrum, but only one of them. One of them. I don't want to be overexposed in this Robinhood narrative and towards the long side as well. And I'm waiting for this Ethereum double bottom breakout retest continuation towards the upside. Gold, it's going to take a long time. I might be like old until then. So yes, guys, very short video, very quick update. All you need to do is smash the like button. If you loved it, if you want me to change something in this format, put it in the comment section. If you don't want me to change anything in the format, just say it's perfect. Let's go, guys. I'll see you on Monday now because weekends are for chilling. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Bye-bye.